Grok 3 versus ChatGPT. Which AI is better for making money online, and which one is actually, this question is not one of the most frequently asked questions. This is the last question, and I'm gonna ask themselves which one is better. So Grok 3 versus ChatGPT, and which AI is better for making money online and starting business. So yes, let's go. Number 9. So the last question is the main question of this video. It's the title of this video. Grok 3 versus ChatGPT. Which AI is better for making money? Based on 8x posts and 20 web pages, comparing myself to ChatGPT for making money online and starting business. No fluff, just want real based on my capabilities, trends, and what is buzzing. Let's break it down. All right. So yeah, real time edge. Yeah, I really agree with this. Grok can find real-time data for you, and if you use deep search, it will search web and X data, which is real data. So coding muscles need a quick script, as I said in the previous videos. Like Grok 3 beats every other AI chatbots in the benchmarks in coding. So costs untied to X Premium $50 per month, 30 per month, but cheap is $200 per month, which is, I agree, it's cheaper. But oh, very good. Grok 3 strengths, so ChatGPT strengths, creative outputs, versatility. It's got DALL-E 3 for, yeah, it's ChatGPT at DALL-E for like creating graphic design and print, yeah, for print on demand and or NFTs. That's good. I can generate yet. And so ChatGPT is one-stop shop for multimedia hustles. I agree. Proven playbooks around longer with tons of tutorial case studies. Interesting. So winner for money online, Grok 3. You choose Grok 3 if you are into fast data-driven plays like coding gigs and trend jacking, and use ChatGPT if you are leaning on content or visual. This is what Grok says. We're gonna read also ChatGPT. So for starting a business, Grok's 3 strengths, reasoning model, deep search model, workflow boost, and ChatGPT strength, customer facing polish, broad use cases, and ecosystem. Winner for starting a business, Grok 3. If you are building something technical or research heavy like SaaS or analytics, my reasoning and live data give you an edge in planning execution. ChatGPT if you need generalist for customer engagement, content, or broad startup tasks. It's matured and flexible shine for less niche ventures. I agree. The bottom line, money online, pick me for speed and tech-driven hustles. ChatGPT for creative or visual gigs. Again, a freelancer on X canceled ChatGPT after testing me. Sitting coding wins, your mileage way vary. Business, I'm your guy for specialized data-backed startup. ChatGPT is better for broad customers facing apps. Alright? Web chatter says I'm chatting up fast, but not dethroning ChatGPT's polish yet. Alright, so Grok gave us some information. Also, you can ask by yourself on Grok, but let's go for ChatGPT. Yeah, Grok 3 and ChatGPT make money online. Alright, Grok 3 technical reasoning based on this website, real-time data access. So Grok 3 has real-time data access, which also Grok mentioned that, and speed and efficiency designed for rapid response and enhanced workflow efficiency. As I said in previous video, like I used Grok to make money. You can watch it here. I will put it here somewhere. And as I said, Grok is almost 30% faster than ChatGPT. It's because of this, for rapid response. But community support and content creation, 100%. Recommendation for technical applications. If your business requires in-depth technical analysis or real-time data integration, Grok 3 may be more suitable, as Grok also mentioned. And for content creation for broader applications like marketing strategies, customer engagement, or creative content, ChatGPT is a strong choice. So both AI models offer valuable tools for online businesses, ventures, aligning their strengths with your specific business needs will optimize your chance of success. So actually, Grok 3 explained more. So I'm not gonna give vote or pick up one of them for this question because it's like a general question and you should do it by yourself. So as they said, if your business need real-time data and it needs more like researching and analyzing, use Grok 3. But if your business needs like content creation and stuff like this, use ChatGPT for marketing strategies and stuff like this. Use ChatGPT. Also, by the way, you can use both. Like, yeah, you can also use Grok 3 at the same time for content creation. You can use ChatGPT. For other things, you can use Grok 3 or maybe also DeepSeek and Gemini. But this video was specifically for Grok 3 versus ChatGPT. So write your comments down below. Which AI is your guide to use and which one do you prefer? And also watch this video about investing tips from AI DeepSeek. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.